Hello friends, this is Dr. Pratik and this video explain how to create frequency table and chart when we have demographic data. So friends, many a times what happens, we collect data for our research purpose or there is a company data set and that data set contains the demographic details. And most of the time you can see here the demographic details are available in category format. Like for example, here we have data set like gender, graduation degree, annual family income, occupation and age. So mostly if you do not have, let's say, high-end statistical software to analyze this data to conduct basic analysis, how you can develop table, how you can create chart by using simple pivot table options available in Excel. So you can see here we have data set of 122 respondents, and the data are available in the categorical format. And categorical mean to say it is a categorical data where no numerical data are available. So let's see how to perform the basic frequency table and create chart out of this data. So first of all, what you need to do, you just have to go to insert menu, click on pivot table, and then this particular table window will appear, and it asks for range. So what you need to do, put your cursor here and then select your entire database. That is what right now I'm doing. So once you select the entire data set, just go to the next option which is available on this, that is new worksheet or existing worksheet. So for the sake of simplicity, I am selecting the existing worksheet only so that we can understand how the pivot table works. So this is the place I would like to have my output, and just press OK. So friends, you can see here one right hand side one panel has appeared with all those options which are available in our dataset, and left hand side you can see one the table window is appear with respect to pivot table. Now how you can start working with this? Let me just remove this from here to here. Okay, so let's see, when we are talking about the first option, right hand side you can see the serial number. I'm just dragging drop that serial number in value section. So here you can see on left hand side, it has just counted the total sum of the serial number, but we don't want that. Okay, so just again right hand side, click here, click on value field setting and select count option, and you are done with that. Now you can cross check the total number of respondents here are 120. So this is the cross check what we have done. Now just again click right hand side, click here and remove the field. Now the table is set. From right hand side, just pick up the gender option, put it on rows section, and here pick up the serial number and put it on the value section, and now you can see the table has been created, but we have to define that value, the count. See this, the table has been created. It is a frequency table that shows out of 120, 51 respondents are female and 69 were male. So once the frequency table is ready, now you just have to select the option, and like this, go to insert menu. You can select any chart, recommended chart, and then it is very easy to create your pie chart, like say like this. And if you want to change the design, you can change like this. So friends, it is easy to use this option which is available in Excel. In insert menu we are talking about pivot, right? Now suppose if you just want to replace gender with any other options, so you just have to remove it. Let's say talk about their graduation degree. You just drop and drag that option here. You can see the frequency table has been created. And the same way, again just go to the insert menu, select the data set, and you can see the bar chart has been created. Let's see the another options. Let's remove the graduation, and let's talk about the annual income. I'm putting that annual income in let's say row section, and you can see that table has been created again. The same way I'm doing for another field. Let's say for example occupation, the table has been created very easily. Let me remove it, and last option is age. Let me put that age here. You can see here the age section has been created. Again, I can do the same thing. I'm interested in pie chart, click on it, the chart has been created like this. So this is very easy. But if your data set is refined and very organized, then you can use this pivot table option to create frequency table and chart very quickly and very easily. Thank you so much for watching.